Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and I am super excited to tell you guys about the new home gym equipment that I have here. So this is from Power Guidance, and this set is awesome. I have been having so much fun. So this is a bundle. So the first item that you get is a 25-pound slam ball. And then you also get a 3-sided plyo box. They are a super high quality. So this plyo box is made from really thick plywood and it is solid. This thing is not going to break or wobble when you are jumping on it, so you can feel totally safe and secure. So I absolutely love workouts that include functional training and plyometric training, so having both of these pieces of equipment together can really set you up to do a ton of different exercises and get an amazing workout. So you can see that this slam ball is textured, so it's really easy to grip and it's got that really thick rubber coating. It's definitely durable, and trust me, you're gonna have so much fun throwing this thing around. What I absolutely love about the plyo box is, of course, it's 3-sided, so you have the 24-inch side, 20-inch, and also 30-inch, so you have different height options depending on what you're looking for. And even though this box is pretty heavy, it has 2 handles on either side, so it makes it easier to carry around. This has a grippy, textured coating to it. So unlike a plain wood plyo box, this gives you a little bit of extra grip, a little bit of extra security when you're jumping, that you're not gonna slide off of it. So if you want to make your next workout super fun, I would definitely recommend this bundle from Power Guidance. I absolutely love it. It's been a blast to use, and that's my point of view.